Hello everybody and welcome back. Hey, today we're going to talk a little bit more about the autoresponder and the sign up page or the capture page or, just the landing page. You can call it anything you want. But remember in the previous lectures where we got this lead magnet for people to sign up for and you gave them something for free that was of value. We used the theme contact sheet to create our sign up form just to pretend, we don't have an autoresponder. I did that for people that can't afford the $15 extra a month for an autoresponder. Today, if you're able to absorb the $15 a month for the autoresponder, like I told you before, my autoresponder of choice is GetResponse. Now, GetResponse has been good to me for a lot of years. I've been using them for a lot of years. And like I said before, I've used a lot of other email clients. And I found GetResponse to be the most simple, the most friendly, I just like them. Okay, so just go to getresponse.com to create your free account. We're gonna go there now, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. So let's get to it, everybody. Let's get to it. Okay, again, welcome to my dashboard. This is the landing page for GetResponse, and if you don't have an account already, I'll just repeat this. I said this in previous lectures. GetResponse is the only email client that will give you a real 30-day free trial. They won't ask for any credit card ever. This is huge. This has people able to try something without any commitment whatsoever. Also, when I ask people to sign up for GetResponse and get their free 30-day trial account, there is a 90-day or 60-day, whichever you want, course that will teach you everything that you need to know about autoresponders, how to create landing pages, how to create sign-up pages, how to create your lead magnet. It's a phenomenal course, and if you do it within the 30 days that you have it for free, you got that knowledge. It didn't cost you a thing. Now, GetResponse also will not cut you off after 30 days if you don't upgrade with the credit card for $15 a month. But they will not let you use the system. You can still go in and you can see your account and everything else, but you won't be able to create any more campaigns or be able to run anything through GetResponse. So I suggest GetResponse, and to sign up, all you have to do is give them an email and a password and click sign up. Bang, you're in. Okay. Now I'm gonna log in because of course I have a GetResponse account. Okay, so now just so you can see, this is the icon you want to click if you want to go to the course. Okay, so we're gonna go to make sure that we're in the right campaign. Now, when we were together before in another lecture, we created a campaign. I don't know if you remember that or not. So I'm going to go into the campaign, and if you created a campaign and you didn't create any other campaigns, then your campaign should be right there. Okay, so what campaign was it? My photography store. Of course it was. That's what I'm working with, my photography store. Okay, so now if we go to forms, and first of all we can create a form. So let's create a form, and you're going to come to the wizard right here. And this is the Wizzo wizard. It's what you see is what you get. Now in this form builder, you can use the wizard. You could list builder apps, which I don't know how to build an app, so I don't even use it, right? You can use plain HTML, or you can integrate with WordPress, Facebook, or whatever. what I like to do is I like to start with a blank screen. Here we are at the blank form builder. They call it blank. I mean, there's stuff in there. Not really blank, right? All right. So I choose this because if you clicked on create a form, you will see that there's a lot of different pre-made templates that you can use. You can use those if you want to. I choose to use a blank one and create my own from scratch. Okay, so you want to make it look and feel like your website does, because if you don't, people will get confused. If you remember correctly, in my campaign, see my photography campaign, I have the confirmed opt-in, which means they have to confirm that they have signed up to my list. I'm going to name this form my photography sign up. Okay, and like I say, they have the double opt-in. I'm in the right campaign, and now we're going to use these in a minute. Okay, I just want to create the form right now. What is your headline going to be? What is it? And like if we go to my form here, you can see my title here is get paid to take photos training. So and they have this theme contact sign up form there that just, well, what will happen when they sign it up here, like I told you before, you'll get an email response that they have signed up for your list, and you can take that email address and you can send them stuff through your regular email. But like I said before, most email clients like Gmail or Hotmail or AOL or whatever, they only allow you to send out so many emails at one time. Now, like I showed you before in this contact form, when they get the thank you for contacting us page and you write something different, like thank you for signing up to get your free product, whatever it might be, they can have the opportunity to download it. So going back to the get response one, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just put the title here, which is going to be get paid to take photos. Now, you can change the color of this by just going over to here. I think I'm going to change it to a reddish color. Okay, so that's looking better already. Then I think I'm going to make it bold. And then I'm going to change the font to that. And then I'm going to make the size bigger. And so if you stretch it out, and then you can take it and you can center it just like that. Now you can make this box the same size. And center it in the box just like that. I like to leave the email address and the first name because they're going to do the double opt-in. Now here you want to get rid of this help text, goes here. If you go to layout, if you click on that and then you go to layout, move my face here so you can get rid of that text right there, and then you go over to this one and you can get rid of that text right there. Simple as that. Gone. Now here, if you look at the website here, my text says send my ebook please. So I could copy the same thing here. Now I don't like these corners, so you can take these corners off just by putting a 0 in there. That'll take the corners out. And then we can stretch this out. So it's all one thing like that. And we could change the color. I'm going to change it to that red again. Okay. And I'm going to change the hover color to, what can we change it to? About we change it to yellow. I like the yellow. Okay. Then background here that I don't like. And as you can see, I'm going to make it go away. Just like that. Okay. So it's all coming together now, and you're going to want to take this and you're going to want to center it. Just like that. And this one you're going to want to center. Or maybe you might want to do it this way. Maybe you might want to take this and move it over here. So it's like that. Take this and bring it over here like this. Take this and bring it over here like this. Then what you can do is over here, you can put the picture of your ebook in there. So if you want to put a picture in there, now you want to add a field and go down here where it says image. And you just drag this over here like this. And then you say replace the image. And as you can see, there's a whole bunch of images that you can use just for free. That's what I like about this. But I have a bunch of them uploaded as well. I don't think I have my ebook uploaded in here yet, which I don't. So I'm going to upload it. I have the URL to my book. So I'm just going to insert the URL in here. And I'm going to say upload it. And there's my book. So I'm going to use this image in here. Now, to get the whole image, you double click on this, and these black lines, you have to just like stretch them up so that it gets the whole thing. Sometimes the image is too big. Okay. Then if you click out of it like that, you can adjust the size of the book itself by making it bigger, which I would do, definitely. So you want to make sure it stays inside that box, though. Okay. So now you line everything up just like that. Don't that look beautiful? And then all you do is you save it. Click here, you save and publish. You're going to get a script. So now if you copy the script, it's copied, as you can see down there. And we'll go over to our page here. Get out of that. So this is our, if I go to view the page, you'll see it's the same page that I just had up here. Okay, so using a few different widgets, we were able to get this effect here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to edit the page. So now you have your GetResponse account and you just created your own form. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to delete this. We're going to delete this, which is the form itself. We're going to edit the row. We're going to make it a one row. Say done. Then we're going to go back to the edit part here. Okay, so what you want to do now, so we already have the heading up here. So if we go down and click on text and put a cursor in there and just go down a couple of spaces like that, and then just paste it right in there, CTRL-V paste, or you can just, and the cursor, just right mouse click and go paste. Alright, so now if we click visual, you're going to see this. Now anytime you got a script, it's not going to show up in your editing part. But let me show you. If you click done and you update it, and then you go to view the page, see that? There's your, get my big face out of here again so we can see this. So that is your sign up page, right? You have your little text right here. Now you could have this is centered, so you could have your text centered by going back to editing the page again and then going back here. Whoops, nope, not there. Sorry about that. I'm going to edit this part. We're going to take this, we're going to make it a headline like that, and then we're going to center it. Okay? And then we're going to say done. Update. View the page. There you go. And they put in their email address and their first name, and they got their stuff. I think I'm down too far on this though, so I'm going to fix this up. I'm going to bring this up a little bit more so that my call to action comes up a little bit higher. But that's the way you do it. So in the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to create the thank you page. So stay tuned for that, okay?